we will learn a trick to multiply two numbers fastly. As we have been seeing in a series of videos that the condition that numbers meet would differ the trick we have to apply for the numbers. So in this particular trick, we will see how to multiply the numbers when the ones place of both the numbers add up to a power of 10 and the digit before the ones place is same in both the numbers. So this we call as Antayog. Let us look at the trick now. Here we have seen that these two numbers add up to a power of 10, that is 4 plus 6, that is 7. And in both the numbers, the digit before the ones place is same. Here it is 7. So to give the answer, first let us consider this 7 that is same in the both numbers. Take this 7 and multiply it with its successor, that is 7 plus 1. If we multiply here 7 into 8, that is 56. This is the first part of our answer. So if we have to put down the answer, the first part is multiplying it with its successor, 7 into 8, 56. Second part of the answer is just multiply the digits in units place of both the numbers, 4 into 6, that is 24. This way we can give the answer. So instead of multiplying, see how easily we can write the answer here. So let us look at another number to understand the trick. Here I have taken 117 into 113. Here again the last two numbers, that is 7 and 3, they add up to 10. And even the digits that are just before the ones place, it's same here, right? 11 and 11 in both the cases. So we have to multiply this 11 with its successor 12, that is 132. This is the first part of our answer, 132. And the second part of answer is 7 into 3, 21. It's done. But while applying this trick, we have to be little cautious while writing the second part of the result. Let us see how and what we have to do. I am taking the number here again that satisfies the condition for this trick. 1 plus 9 is again 10. So what we will do, 11 into successor, 11 into 12, 132 we will put down here. While writing the second part, what we have to do is just multiply the ones digit and put the answer, right? So here if we do 1 into 9 is 9. We shouldn't keep it as 9. We have to keep it as 0, 9. Why is it so? Means when we multiply a one digit with another one digit, at max we will get two digits in the answer. Say if we take 9 into 9, we will have 81, which is a two digit number. While applying this particular trick, this thing we have to keep in mind. Means while writing this last part of the result, we have to check this whether we are multiplying one digit with one digit or whether we are multiplying like two digit with one digit. That thing we have to consider and we have to put down the answer. When we multiply one digit with one digit, we have to put down here two digits. That is why in our previous examples we were multiplying 6 with 4, that is directly giving us a two digit answer, 24. So here we have put down the 24 directly here. But whenever we are getting a single digit answers, we have to keep 0 before that. This thing we have to remember by applying this particular trick. So to see examples further, means when we are going to multiply a two digit in this place with a one digit here, or two digits with two digits, how we have to do the trick, we will see in our next video.